Here we have a Ford Taurus with a 3-liter engine. If you're looking to access the tensioner, it's actually located right below the idler pulley. You can see down here that unit with the 3 lines on it right there. That actually is part of like the spring unit that keeps tension on the pulley, applying tension to the belt. So if you're just trying to remove only the pulley, you can remove that 1 bolt there. It's really easy to get out. If you have like a growl or anything like that, or you can actually, if you open the hood up while it's running, a lot of times you can see it kind of pulsing, just because if the bearing is going out, it has no way to keep on a correct track. So if you remove that, just make sure that the belt is already removed, of course. Otherwise it would be very difficult to kind of pull that pulley off. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. Otherwise, it's a pretty easy fix. It is a little bit of a tight gap to get the bolt out, you can see, but it can be done. And there's enough room in there to pull out all the threads and then just pull the pulley straight up. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and good luck with your project.